practice, and are you clean? Oh, chalk. Yeah, been a while. This is new whiteboard. Okay, it's a chalkboard. Right, coronavirus update. So the problem is, like, coronavirus, it's a virus. It's going to follow an exponential growth. That is anything which is in the form of y has been your number of cases of disease. It's equal to a, which is some constant to the power of x, and x is your variable, that's your time. That's an exponential growth. If it was a decay, then this would be minus x, a to the power of minus x. A is any number. The interesting thing about exponentials is that they are very natural. They're a naturally occurring thing. And there's this number, which is a natural number, called Euler's number, and it's E. 2.718 something. It's a button which is on your calculator, you press E and it does all these numbers. Now, because this is a naturally occurring thing, it crops up in things like growth, bacterial growth, maybe even viral growth, that kind of stuff. And what that looks like is y equals e to the power of x. The really nice thing about that is that the gradient of this growth, which looks like that, it goes through 0, 1 all the time. It never quite touches the x-axis and it goes up. That's exponential growth. When people say the Big Bang is exponential, financial growth is exponential, all that. Well, this gradient, that's right, is y prime. Is e to the x. Isn't that something else? If we wanted to make it a bit steeper, we'd put like a little coefficient in front of the x up here. 2x. Now the gradient function then is 2e to the 2x, and that is going to be the same kind of curve but just steeper on this side, at least anyway. Isn't that good? A lot of people, when they differentiate this, which is to say find the gradient function, they think it's going to be the same rule as that. No. When you minus 1 off of the power and then put the power in front, that's only when you've got x to the power of n. That's that rule, that's something else. Anyway, this is something else. I want to talk about coronavirus videos because today, for me anyway, Republic of Ireland has decided to close all of its schools. And is the UK next in that decision to close schools? I don't know, maybe. But a lot of people have exams this year. And I'm particularly concerned in A-level maths exams. So what I'm going to do is going to do more of these videos, and people can contact me or watch these videos as part of their learning. I don't think actual A-levels need schools and colleges. It can be done online, and this is maybe a little chance to do that. So that's what is going to happen. We've got actual theory, practice, and I'm going to do some like exam walkthroughs. 3 things, and that's before the exams in May, June time. Bada bing, bada boom. We've still got the study technique as well. I like doing them. Anyway, that's it. It's a new chalkboard anyway. Not bad, is it? Yeah.